Holy shit, you guys. This is a big takedown. Do we have it though is a question. Yeah, we do. Woo! Let's walk up to it. Oh boy. What is it? That's a nice size striper, I think. Woo! Holy shit, that's a good size striper. You guys, look at that. Oh my God, you guys, this is a solid striper. Woo! Holy shit, you guys. That's a fucking fish, you guys. Holy shit. For the gram, for the everything. Oh my goodness. We need to fucking measure him. Wow, holy shit. This is the most solid striper I've gotten out here. Where is my measurement? Fuck it. You know what? I'll tell you what right now. That's way longer than 18. That's a solid 20 or something, bro. Holy shit. Look at this fucking striper.
She ain't nothing. You lying? Oh, he was fast.
Fucking solid 20 something plus striper right here, and we're going off on the other one. Let's go. Fucking. All right. But so we can get this. Woo! Solid fucking striper right there. All right. Go home, little buddy. There you go. You're going. Other way. All right, sir. You went home. That's right. All right, this one's going off. Holy shit. Woo! Oh my God, you guys, look at this shit, dude. Fucking striper, bro. That was the biggest striper here. Holy shit.